Is your computer getting slow editing videos in DaVinci Resolve? By the end of this video, we go from this to this. For this video, I'm using my old laptop from 2018, so if this makes my computer faster, it should also work for you. I wish I knew these 7 simple tips when I first started editing in DaVinci. These will save you hours by making the editing process smoother and easier for the nerves. Tip number 1, close all programs you have in the background. Let's start with the simple and obvious. Close all the programs you have open in the background to free up your RAM. Make sure you also have enough space on your disk to keep editing fast. Second tip, lower the timeline playback resolution. Inside DaVinci Resolve, go to the Playback menu and lower the timeline playback resolution. You'll only need half or quarter for editing, and you'll notice the difference instantly. Third tip, turn off effects. If you have LUT, keying for green screen, and other effects on your clips, turn them off until you're ready to render. This can make things much faster. Tip number 4, disable tracks you've already edited. If you have multiple tracks in your project, disable the one you have already finished editing to free up more processing power and memory. Turn them back on when you render the final video. Tip number 5, edit 1080p videos, not 4K. If your computer is still struggling, shoot FHD videos with 30 frames per second. Edit in 1080p mode and keep the frame rate at 30. If you have a good video quality, 1080p is enough and makes your editing much easier and faster than editing in 4K. Tip number 6, update your graphics card driver. Your GPU drivers might be outdated. If you have an NVIDIA card, open your GeForce Experience and download the latest studio drivers. Or if you have Radeon, open the AMD software Adrenaline Edition. Install the drivers and restore your system. This can also speed up your editing. Tip number 7, make sure DaVinci is using the right GPU. Check from the preferences, memory and GPU that DaVinci is using the discrete GPU if you have one. This will make editing and rendering much faster. Extra tip for laptop users, keep your laptop plugged in and in the best performance power mode. In Windows 11, it's under System Power Mode, and in Windows 10, click on the battery icon in the system tray and slide the selector to best performance. Advanced tip, if your computer is still laggy after all these tips, you can use Proxy Media to create low-resolution versions of your original videos for faster editing. Right-click in the media editor to generate Proxy Media and then select Prefer Proxies from this drop-down menu. I hope this solved your problem. After all these steps, editing videos in DaVinci will be faster and easier, and I feel silly for not using these tips earlier. If you have any questions about the details, please comment below and I'll reply as soon as possible to help you. If you're new to making videos, you'll find more DaVinci Resolve tips and tutorials on my channel and other useful stuff like this.